It's another lovely sunny day here in Egypt, and today we are spending the day at the aqua park. Say hello everyone! Hello everyone! Yes, it's a beautiful day. We are getting suntanned, looking nice and brown. And yeah, let's have another good day.
And welcome to Elkarma Aqua Park Resort. Every kid's dream. Sounds, lounges, outside bar and restaurant, all at the touch of your fingertips.
Look. Hello.
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 Anybody here?
Anybody here?
Do you want to go down the tunnel?
No.
Why?
Yay! All the way in. All the way in. Yay! And jump. Yeah.
Go.
Whee! Well done.
We're going on that blue one.
The hat?
Right, let's get it back in our pool now. Yeah!
Are you eating the sponge from your swimming suit? Yeah.
I'm sure she's wishing that was an ice cream instead. Off to another adventure with Princess Rose.
Watch out behind you.
And Big Daddy waits and waits and no luck. Well, anyway, back to Princess Rose. She doesn't even know what to do with most of this stuff. And this is the bar area that leads onto the beach. Let us get back into that lovely cold water and freshen up and cool down. Hello everybody! Lots of love! Nice to see you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you get a notification every time a new video is uploaded.
Is it good? No. You don't like it?
I want to have this one.
Yes, you have that one. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Now this is a must-see. They don't advertise it, but you need to be a certain weight to go on this, because if you're not heavy enough, you don't go over the second lump and you'll end up sliding down and you have to get out halfway through. So let's see how far they get this time. They've nearly got to the top and I can see it. They're trying to work their way up. They're working themselves through. They're using their hands, they're using their arms. They're getting there. They're slowly getting there. I think they finally got there. Yes, yes, come on. You can do it. Keep going. Yes, yes, yeah. Whoa, well done.